Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Optuna dashboard for hyperparameter tuning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for your Optuna dashboard. Press the enter key. You should now see the Optuna dashboard login page. Locate the login section on the page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your credentials to ensure accuracy. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the SSO login button. Click on the SSO login button, if applicable. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your username and password. If you still face issues, consider resetting your password. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password if necessary. After successfully logging in, explore the dashboard features. You are now ready to begin hyperparameter tuning with Optuna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.